Understanding Earth-Shattering, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, earth-shattering. This idiom can add dramatic flair to your English conversations, and we're here to help you understand it completely. So, let's dive in. Earth-shattering is an idiom used to describe something extremely important, significant, or impactful. It often implies that the event, news, or information is so powerful that it could figuratively shatter the earth. However, it's important to note that this phrase is almost always used metaphorically and not literally. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help in grasping their meanings better. The phrase, earth-shattering, likely comes from the idea of something being so forceful or monumental that it could break or shake the earth itself. This hyperbolic expression underscores the magnitude or seriousness of the subject it describes. To help you understand how to use earth-shattering, let's look at some examples. The scientist made an earth-shattering discovery that changed our understanding of physics. When she announced her retirement, it was earth-shattering news for the sports community. In these sentences, earth-shattering emphasizes the significant impact of the discovery and the news. When using earth-shattering, be mindful not to overuse it. This phrase should be reserved for situations that are truly impactful or significant. Using it for mundane events can dilute its strength and make your speech less effective. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, earth-shattering. Remember, idioms like this can add color and depth to your English conversations, making them more vibrant and expressive. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to helping you continue your English language journey in our next video.